Okay, guys, so in this video, we're going to try and explain how to use Uniswap, okay? How to use Uniswap, that's what we're going to do here, okay? So the first thing you want to do if you want to use Uniswap is to look for the coin you want to buy. You go to a place like CoinGecko, that will be your starting point, okay? CoinGecko.com or CoinMarketCap, and you want to see if that coin is on Uniswap. For example, we chose ByDAO, we've done it before, or let us look at Bake, for instance, okay? So Bakery token is Bake, but I don't think, let's have a look and see. So Bakery token is not on Uniswap, okay? Because it is a Binance Smartchain token. Now, Uniswap is built on Ethereum. Uniswap is a DEX on Ethereum, and Binance and Pancakeswap or Bakeryswap is another kind of decentralized exchange. It's just like a copy of Uniswap, but it is running on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, the Binance Smart Chain is actually a copy of the Ethereum virtual machine. It's actually a clone of Ethereum. As a result, you can use Metamask, which is an Ethereum wallet. Metamask gives you access to the Ethereum blockchain. So because the Binance Smart Chain is a clone of Ethereum, you can actually integrate Binance Smart Chain on your Metamask to be able to access the decentralized exchanges that are built on the Binance Smart Chain, okay? Now, to enable you to do that, so you already know how, okay, let us start with the MetaMask itself. So for example, assuming you wanted to buy, let us say, a random token, let us say, what coin do you want now to buy on Uniswap? Let us say you want to buy, we've talked about BID, let's talk about something else. Let's look at this Tidal Finance and see if it's on Uniswap. Okay. I've taken this random token. So it's just a what? 4 cents, right? So, okay, it's not on Uniswap because you go to the markets, you come to markets and see it's not on Uniswap. Okay. So let us look for a coin we know is on Uniswap. Let's look at Paint. I have bought quite a lot of this coin, right? So let's look at Paint. I know this is on Uniswap. Okay. So what you do is to go down to markets and make sure it's on Uniswap. And you get down here on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, you can then click on the pair itself. Click on the pair itself. Don't click on Uniswap. Click on this pair. Okay. That will take you straight to the Uniswap interface to use Uniswap. So you are going to need some Ethereum. Okay. You're going to need some Ethereum in your MetaMask, right? And then I already have some Paint here anyway, okay? So whatever amount you want to buy or how much Ethereum you want to spend, of course, this will be your address on your MetaMask. You know how to get your address on MetaMask to send Ethereum to your MetaMask. So I'm assuming you already know how to send Ethereum to your MetaMask because you need Ethereum to pay for gas, right? So you don't have your Ethereum, and then you pick the amount, and it's like you pick how much paint you want to buy or how much coin you want to buy. Let's want to buy 50,000 of this coin. That's going to cost me 0.07 Ethereum. Of course, I'm also assuming that you have done all your fundamental research and you have decided to buy the coin. So you go to their website, you find out about this coin, and then you can also go to and look at the charts. Now, for most of the charts I use for these new coins that are on Ethereum or Uniswap, you will hardly find the charts on TradingView, okay? Because before you make a decision to buy, you don't buy on hype. You make that decision based on fundamentals and technicals. Fundamentals is, should I really buy this coin? You know, what is it trying to solve and all that kind of, issues. You answer those questions. But then when you want to buy, you also want to buy at some form of support, okay? That is important to minimize your risk and also increase your profits. you need to buy these coins at support. So for these new coins, you won't find them on TradingView or even Coinigi or the other charting platforms. So what you do, you copy this contract address, copy that, and you go to a website called GoSwap.com. GoSwap. GoSwap, okay? You go to GoSwap. No, sorry. For that will be for Binance Smartchain coins. Now for Uniswap coins, you go to dextools.io. Okay, you come to dextools.io. Okay, and you're going to paste that contract address we picked from here. You're going to paste it here onto the search here. Okay, and then that is the pair you want. Pick that pair. Okay, and then put it like 4 hours. So you see, I have been here before. So I have been doing my analysis on this very particular coin. So I like to buy at support. You see, this was a buy zone where I bought this coin. And you can see how much this has given me. This was my buy zone a couple of around 2 weeks ago. So I bought here, but we actually bought this coin very around this bottom here. That was when we first bought this coin, and then we bought again here as well. Okay, we bought again here as well, and I have also bought some here as well. Okay, so what you want to see, you want to make sure that you are in a buying zone, which is usually around, for me, around the 78.6 Fibonacci level. But the important thing is that you should be buying at some level of support. Don't be buying coins at the top or when they have already gone. If they have gone, I keep saying that these coins are like London buses. If you miss one, wait for the next one. Don't need to rush anything, okay? So it is still very likely that this coin will drop up to this very level here, and I'm going to keep buying it, okay? Because you can see how much, I wasn't watching the chart. I would have sold here and I sold here, but I wasn't watching the chart. Moreover, I'm not bothered, okay? Because the plan actually have to sell this coin is going to be around 0.008, okay? So that is your technical analysis, okay? You want to buy at some form of support. This is what you want. You only want to buy after a retracement, okay? You want to buy after a retracement. For cryptocurrencies, I usually advise let the coin, a good coin, you have checked the fundamentals, okay? You've gone to their website and you know what the coin is all about, okay? Because this is an NFT token. If you look here, it's an NFT token, and NFTs is a very hot trend right now in in the crypto space, okay? So you decide to buy it, you then look at your chart and you are happy to buy it, and you believe that you are at support of some sort, okay? And then what you then do, you then go back to this coin pair. You go back to, okay, we've already clicked here, and that has taken us to Uniswap interface. Yeah. You then decide how much you want to buy of the coin and how much Ethereum. Yeah. And then you click on swap. Yeah. So it asks me to confirm swap. You read all the details, have to confirm swap. Yeah. And then, but I don't want to buy this coin because I don't need to. I already have quite a huge amount of it. So I'm not buying it. That is my transaction fee, $59, which is really quite high. We are going to compare this now to Binance Smartchain later on, okay? So you just click on confirm, and that should be your swap. Done. Okay. And then if it's a coin, I'm going to reject it because I don't need it, right? Now, if it's a coin you do not have in your wallet yet, you can do this first. You can click add this coin to Metamask, okay? And this will add it to Metamask for you. So whatever coin it is, you add it to Metamask. So you need to find out on what chain that coin is on. Either it's on, if it's Etherscan, it's on Ethereum blockchain. If it's on like Bake token, if it's Bake token, you see that Bake token is on BSC scan, which is the Binance Smart Chain network. Okay. So, like I said, you can configure Metamask to also interact with the Binance Smart Chain, okay? And to enable you to do that, let me see if mine is already connected. So I already have Smart Chain here, okay? Now, these are networks that can support this Metamask at the moment, or Metamask support at the moment. So this is the Binance Smart Chain. So now to configure your Metamask to work with your Binance Smart Chain, there is a guide here on the Binance website. It says use Metamask for Binance Smartchain. Okay, so after you have downloaded your Metamask, you just come to this page. I will leave a link below this video if you're watching this on YouTube. Okay, I'll leave a link below this video for you to go and have a look on this page. So you can just click on the link and then configure your Metamask to work with Binance Smartchain, assuming the coin you are going to buy is only available on Binance Smartchain, just like the Bakery token. You see, the Bakeryswap is on Binance Smartchain, right? Just like Uniswap is on Ethereum Smartchain, on the Ethereum network. So you can see the pairs you want. So this is going to launch. If I click, you're going to launch a Bakeryswap. So like I said, the first thing you do is to come to this page step by step. You follow this step by step, create an account in Metamask for Binance Smartchain. You just keep going, create your password as if you are new. If you've already done all these secret phrase and backup, you can just connect your Metamask to Binance Smartchain, and then you go to settings. It's all easily explained on this page. Okay, just keep going, keep going. You just type in everything as it is here on settings. Type it in here. You just copy and paste them. Okay, you are going to use mainnet and not testnet. So choose mainnet if you're going to put all stuff on it. Okay, you put Binance Smartchain. You copy. You see this website here, RPC URL. You just copy everything there as it is. Right? So you copy everything there as it is, and then that is how you connect your Binance Smartchain to the mainnet. And the next thing you have to do is to transfer BNB to your Binance Smartchain address. Now, it is going to be the same address as your MetaMask. Okay, so now I'm on Smartchain. You can see that my address is the same. My address is the same as it was on the Ethereum. You see, the address doesn't change, only network change. You see the same address here. Okay, so it's going to be the same address. What you then do is to transfer Binance coin, either from Binance onto this chain here. Okay, and when you're transferring from Binance, let me log into Binance and show you. When you're transferring from Binance, you need to use the Binance Smartchain. Okay, so let me see. I don't think I have any BNB in Binance, but I'll show you what I mean. So let me log into Binance and I'll show you. Any questions so far?
No, go ahead. Okay. No problem.
That's fine. So 367. I'm logging into Binance now. Okay, submit that. Okay. So for you now, you are going to need some BNB as gas on your, just where you need Ethereum as gas to pay for transactions on your Ethereum transactions. You need BNB, Binance coin, to pay for gas on the Binance Smartchain. So you then go to Binance and then you withdraw BNB. I don't think I have any. Okay. Have what, a little, only amount, very little amount here. So you then put the address here. You come to your MetaMask, right? Make sure this smart chain or Binance Smart Chain is selected and not Ethereum main network. You copy this address here. You come into Binance, you put the address here, and you are going to pick Binance Smart Chain. Okay, and then you're going to send Binance some BNB. You can put any amount you want, 1, 2, or 0.5, or whatever you want. Maybe you want 5 BNB or whatever. You have decided to go and buy some coins. Okay, so you know how much BNB you want to spend on those coins. You then transfer that amount of BNB, not just to pay for the gas, but also to pay for the coin, because the pair you have here is big BNB. So you're going to need BNB to buy big on Bakeryswap. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Right, perfect. So you put the address here. You are going to pick Binance Smart Chain, not the regular Smart Chain. Put your amount you want, and then you submit, confirm, and this money should then come into your Binance Smart Chain, just where I have 0.001 0.02 BNB on here. Okay. Again, if it's a coin that is new for you, you are then going to add Bakeryswap into the MetaMask. Let's see if that's going to happen. Okay, so you can add it to MetaMask. Let's see what happens. You see, I already have some bake here anyway. So what you do normally, if you click on add to MetaMask here, you click on add to MetaMask, you see that you can then add the token. So after you have bought it, it will display in your MetaMask. So having said that, we are now going to launch Bakeryswap. Okay, now the most popular exchange on Binance Smartchain is called Pancakeswap, but it is the same thing. Let us launch Bakeryswap first, and we can look for one example for Pancakeswap. So Bakeryswap is now launching. It's a very, very similar interface. You know, Bakeryswap is actually a copy. They are all copies of Uniswap. We call them clones of Uniswap. Okay, so read this warning as well. Okay, they've just copied everything here. You say you understand, and then you continue. Okay, the next thing you have to do is to connect to a wallet. Okay, so I'm going to connect my Binance Smartchain wallet. I take Metamask, and it's going to show me, ask me to connect. That's free of charge. I connect the exchange. So you can see my Bakeryswap is now linked to my wallet. My coins remain in my wallet, so I'm going to swap BNB for Bake. Okay, so I only have 0.2 BNB on there. Let us see maximum how much I can get. That's my BNB in my wallet, if you remember. Okay, and that's the Bake I already have anyway. So if I wanted to swap, I can then say, okay, let me swap maximum of my BNB for Bake. I say maximum. Okay, let's see how much it's going to give me in Bake. So it's going to give me 46 Bake. Okay, that's so if I swap all that, if I say okay, I want let me just swap 0.01 BNB, you're going to give me 24 Bake. Okay, and then you click on swap. Now I don't really want to buy Bake. Okay, not to buy because I already have a lot of Bake on Binance anyway. Okay, and then you confirm swap, and then you can then see, look at the fees here, like 0.00001 BNB compared to the $59 we're paying for Ethereum.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't need to buy anything. If I was to buy, I'll just confirm it.
Yeah.
Okay, that is how you do that. It's that simple process, right? So I don't want it, so I'm going to reject it. But you can see it is just like Uniswap, because they are all copies of Uniswap, but this is now running on the Binance Smartchain. Okay, so I don't need it, so I'm going to reject it. Now, another coin, another exchange that is very popular on the Binance Smartchain is called Pancakeswap. Actually, Pancakeswap has done so much in volume now that it is actually, I think it's actually competing with Uniswap in terms of volume. So if we go to a coin, there's a coin I bought on, is it Kangal? Kangal,
yeah.
Kangal, okay. I think I posted Kangal a while ago, right?
Yeah, you posted Kangal.
Kangal. So Kangal it's been going up and down. You know, it's not really moved. Again, you know, Kangal, you can see the trajectory is upwards. Okay, so this coin is doing well, so there's no need to panic about it. You go and look at, you know, the fundamentals. You read about it. Look, it's quite a serious project. Well, I think it is anyway. And this was one of those coins I actually bought for speculative purposes only. Now, because we have come onto this website via here, I can trust these links here. Okay, because we have come to this website via CoinGecko, I can trust these links. If I came to the website via Google, I will never click these links because they could be links to dodgy, fake Uniswap, fake Pancakeswap, and fake Bakeryswap. These are all indexes. These are all so right now, what we're going to do, so you come and look at the coin again, you do your fundamentals, you know, am I happy to hold this coin if anything happens to it, blah blah blah, and after which you then come and do your technical analysis. Again, you copy this one here, right? Hang on, let me show you. Now, if you go on their website, you are going to see their BSC smart contract address. Okay, because this coin is on 2 chains. It's on Ethereum and it's also on BSC. And it looks like on Metamask, on CoinGecko, we have the Ethereum address here, ending with 337. If you look here, 337, right? So what we want is to interact with Binance Smartchain. So we're going to copy this address, copy it, and then we're going to go to this website, GoSwap, and put this one here to go and do our technical analysis. Make sure that we are around support. Okay? So that should give us a chart of Kangal. I believe we can also get a chart of Kangal on dextools.io because it's also an Ethereum token as well. But because we are looking at whatever there, so let's see, that's 15-minute chart, and then we'll go to 4 hours, which I prefer. Let's let it load. It's a bit, it can be a bit slow, this website. So having said that, let me just quickly go to DexTool because I know DexTool should have Kangal. So what we're going to do, we'll copy the Ethereum address, okay, the Ethereum contract address for this token, and just if this one is a bit slow, okay, that's our 4-hour chart, that's fine, okay. So having said that, you want to come and do analysis and satisfy yourself that you are some form of support. Now, would I buy this coin? Absolutely, I will buy it. Let me tell you why I'll buy this coin even now, because if we use the Fibonacci tool, which I like to use a lot, and we click from here up to here, we can see that this, we see this, I see this whole movement. A retreat. You see this, I keep talking about 78.6 Fibonacci level all the time. Okay, this is the level that price tends to respect all the time. You can see how price has bounced off this level several times. Okay? Price has bounced off this level several times. Okay, so this is a very strong level, very strong level, very strong level. Price has reacted here all the time. Okay, so there's a lot of buyers coming in because everybody's watching this level for reaction. Now we have seen that the price is reacting at this financial level, so we have taken off from this level. But technically, what you are seeing here right now, this was what we covered yesterday, right? What you are seeing right now is a bull flag. Okay, this is a bull flag. Okay, so should I buy this coin? You see me, I do this a lot on the chats I post in the Telegram channel, right? And let me just take that off. So that's a bull flag, just to give you the impression of a flag. Let me take that off. But what you're going to see me do more often than not is going to be something like this, right? Okay, and then you're going to see me do that as well. This is how I do all those my charts. This is how I get them ready. Okay, that's obviously a flag. If you like a flag pole, like your corner flag in football matches, okay? So this is the body of the flag, and this is the accumulation zone. Okay, technically, what we are going to expect, I'm sure you should be very, very familiar with this by now, is going to be this my very, very popular arrow. Okay, that's what we are going to expect from now. Okay, so this is the technical analysis I'm doing on this coin. I'm trying to give myself, I'm trying to make a case, a bullish case to buy it. So we already had a push off this strong level. Okay, we already had a push off this significant level. Price has pushed up. Okay, I already have this token. I already have Kangal, and I bought at a very, very low price. Okay, I bought at a very, very low price. So when it pushed off, that was when I bought. But this looks like a very good point to actually buy some more of this token at this point, because right now what we're seeing here is accumulation, and minimum target could be here. Okay, minimum target could be here. Initially could be here, because with this accumulation here, chances are it's going to retest this level here, so you can take your profit here. So having made that case, a bullish case for this coin, again, you want to buy during a retracement or a consolidation period. This is what we've got here at the moment. Okay, so you don't want to buy. I would buy at market if I was buying this coin. I wouldn't mess about with this. I'll just buy it at market during this phase, because what you're going to see next is going to be pow. Okay, it's just going to explode out of this. The longer this goes on, the more aggressive that's going to be. So at the very least, you can expect this to retest here, or give you an equal length here, an equal length, and similar length to what we have here. Let us see. So an equal length, that one. We take it there, put it here. You see, it's almost touching that one. You see that? So that is that there's nothing random in the market. So in terms of market geometry, that will be a reasonable place to try and take profit, because that is resistance. This is support. So a lot of market participants will be watching this level as well, and they probably have their sell orders there anyway. So you don't want to be caught up. The price goes here, like what happened to me with paint. When the price went all the way, I didn't sell and came all the way back down. You don't want to be that person. You want to take your profit. Now we have an established level of resistance. Okay, you want to take your profit around here. You can take partial profit here if you want, but it all depends. If you are looking to double your account, if you put whatever I put here, you're going to double it straight away. If it goes from here, you double it, and then that's it. So it goes from 0.04 something to 0.08. That's your money doubled. You just get out, and then you look for a new setup. Okay, but if it's a coin like Mural, I'm happy to hold for some time. No problem. I don't have to sell any, but I don't like seeing profits go away. So I would like to sell some, and hopefully what's going to happen next is that this is likely, when it is moving up, it is likely to come back to a place like this and then retrace. Okay, we're going to retrace up to here and then continue its journey upwards. That's likely the probable path of price of this coin. Because price doesn't just go in a straight line, okay? And then you see me draw trend lines as well. So that's it. You see, that is very, very probable part of price. You see that? Very, very probable part of price. So see price here, 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 here. All right. So I hope this makes sense in terms of technical analysis. You can rewind this video and make sure you take some notes as we go along. And now you have satisfied yourself with the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis, right? Then you can then go on to your the Pancakeswap to try and buy it. Okay, so we can either come here and then come here. You see, it's on Uniswap and on Pancakeswap. So we've looked at Uniswap, we've looked at Bakeryswap, and now we're not going to look at Pancakeswap, which is also built on Binance Smartchain. Now, if you see here, this is WBNB, wrapped BNB. Don't worry about it, because you are interacting with the Binance Smartchain. It does wrap it automatically. Okay. If you remember, the Bake token was just ordinary BNB. This is wrapped, but don't worry about wrapping BNB. Okay, they'll do it automatically. So you click on here, and that should bring you up to the Bakery Pancakeswap interface. Okay. Again, this warning comes up, and then you click, you understand, and then you confirm. And then the next thing to do is to connect your wallet, the Binance Smartchain wallet that you already set up. Okay, so you can connect that, and then Metamask, which you already set up, and you do this account, and you connect next, and you're going to see connect, and it's going to connect Pancakeswap linked to Metamask, and that is my Metamask. My BNB should show up here now anytime soon. Okay, BNB should show up anytime now. You see, that's my BNB there, and I also have I think I have about 42 million Kangal here already. Okay. So I don't need to buy anything. So again, like you want to buy, so I want to buy 0.1 of I think I bought about 4 BNB actually. So give this some time. This should disappear. Give it some time. Okay, because you can see here there's a lot of activity going on here. So we know that there's liquidity for that trade, all right? So we come here, Pancakeswap interface, and then we just swap the token. So this will give me 59. Actually, I'll buy it. I'll buy 59. Is it 59 or 5 million?
No, that's
596,000, right?
596,000.
Let me buy some more. Let me see it almost. Let me top it up. I don't mind. Okay. So because it's in a very good buy zone, let me let me do what I teach. I'm going to buy some more and add and top it up. Okay. So I come here and I swap. Okay. So your details 0.1 BNB. It's around 0.1 BNB is around $20-something actually, because BNB is about 2 cents at the moment. So it confirms swap, and then you're going to see the fees now. Very tiny fees. Look at that, 0.015 BNB. Compare that to the amount you pay on Ethereum. You confirm, and then you can actually view the transaction on BSC scan. You can view the transaction. Okay, it's not been broadcast yet. Nothing to panic. It's already successful already. Very fast, very fast, and very cheap. That is the difference between Binance Smartchain and Ethereum. Ethereum is slow and expensive. Binance Smartchain is fast and it's cheap. So if I go back to my wallet, remember I had about 42 million of that coin. Okay, it hasn't changed that much because it's probably in just this place anyways. All right. So, but if we go on, if you view on Binance Smart Chain, if you view the transaction here, that's the transaction, okay? And then you can look at my wallet. This is my wallet here, okay? You click on my wallet, and then this is the value of the tokens I have in there, and this is the Kangal itself, okay, which I have here. You can look at Kangal, and you can see my Kangal transactions from 55 seconds ago. Okay, I bought this ones. It's like I said, I've been buying this coin. I bought 23 million a while ago. 19 million. Now I bought 597,000 just for the purpose of this exercise. You can see all the details here on the Binance Smartchain scan. Okay, this is also a copy of Ether scan as well. All right. So that's how you interact with the decentralized exchanges. We've looked at Pancakeswap, Bakeryswap, and Uniswap, all via your MetaMask. Okay. If you have any questions, please you can leave it in the comments below if you're watching on YouTube, because I might share this on YouTube. But before we go, Austin, any questions?
Yeah, I think it's quite interesting and it's good. I'll have to go over the video again and really get a grasp of it. But yeah, it's quite enriching and it's good.
Fantastic. So we'll leave the video here and then we can take it from there. So I'm going to stop the recording now.